know it's been a couple days.
Celebrate!
The kids have been busy. Okay.
Yeah.
Look what I got for my birthday / Father's Day from the Poke Center. But yes, so we won't be opening that. But
so guys, when before Papa, nope, I'm not talking about that.
Okay, we're gonna open the couple big packs today. I already popped them just so we wouldn't have a lot of crinkle. Okay, if we can get to it, we each got another.
There's him. There's him in there.
We also got an extra battle styles, and hopefully we'll get to the vivid voltage. Okay, so let's go. You guys open these up. Open those up. Let's set your big cards up here aside.
I got a battle style
and a sun and moon. So cool. So let's go ahead and start. You gonna show them? Yeah, nice.
Wow. Okay. So guys, here's my.
In our reverse color is.
You got a Froakie.
I got
a big
Big
Froakie. Yep. Okay. Yes. They got a Fennekin.
I
got a Fennekin.
And a chest.
Look at that pack.
Yes, and a chest pin. Okay. Yes, very good. So let's do the sun and moon first.
Okay.
We got my favorite.
So are we done with these? Yeah, done with those. Okay, are you doing
Let's
this?
open these
Let's
packs.
do sun and moon.
Yeah, do that one first. Sun and moon. Sun and moon. Sun and moon. Okay?
Could you help me?
Yeah.
Who's gonna go first today?
Huh? Let's Jackson. You went first last time. Okay, there's sun and moon. Here's your two battle styles. And let's not jump ahead. Okay, let's stay together so we know what's going on.
My code card is green.
Jackson got a green code card.
Mine is green too.
Yeah, so sun and moon. Let's go ahead. I'm guessing water. Hold on a second. Papa Dale.
Jackson.
Jumbo.
And subscribe. Hit the like button. Ding that bell so when we post next, you'll know about it. And remember, on Instagram, it's Pokemon_Dale. Come visit us. We have a lot of fun going on. Please don't look at everything. Okay? I'm going with water. What are you going with?
Yeah.
Don't get ahead of things, honey. Stay right with what we got. What are you doing?
Lightning.
Okay, throw it up there. Come on. Let's go. Uh-oh. Nope. We got what? Moon? Moon. And we got Steenie. That's it. Steenie. We got Herder. Chargebug. A Lillian Grimer. That's it. Formantis. Help me out. Don't worry about those cards, baby. It's not important right now. Right here. Cosmog. Ooh. Rogenrola. And these are sun and moon base. Sandygast. Very good. And our reverse rare is Rare Candy.
Don't eat it.
And our rare is going to be Bruxish.
Bruxish.
Just regular. Bruxish. Okay, Gemma, what do you got? Lightning. Atta girl. Good job. Sun and moon base. Experience share. Pelipper. A penguin. Pelican. Krokorok. Okay. Rogenrola. A Lillian. Rattata. Very good. Rattata. Chinchou. Paris. That's it. Poliwag. Reverses. Torkoal. You got your next one ready to go? Yeah. And our rare is going to be Stoutland. Just a regular Stoutland. Okay? So now we're jumping. We got battle styles. Go, Jackson.
I hope there's
Yeah.
Probably opened mine a little bit.
Yeah, I did. Open just a little bit. Jumbo, you got yours ready to go?
Let's see. Oh, I got a green code card.
I'm going to go with fire.
4?
Yeah, come on.
Lightning.
Throw it up there. Lightning.
Oh, it was 5.
Ah,
Hey, just like my shirt.
that's it.
It's red.
Okay, Haunch Crow.
Haunch Crow.
Camping gear.
Camping gear.
Camping gear.
Durant.
Durant.
Help me out, little girl. Look this way. Galolian Mr. Mime.
Miney.
Ball toy.
Ball toy. Like ball.
That's right. Mine Foo.
Like
baldy, but bald.
That's it. Parachasu.
Parachasu.
Tepig.
Tepig.
The reverse is Tower of Waters.
Tower of Water.
And a rare is going to be Aegislash.
Aegislash. But we don't have it. So.
Yeah, we don't have it. Oop. And baby girl had a green code card. What is it? Oh. Leaf. And we got Energy Recycler. Put those down, please. And we got Girder. Cacturn. Very good. Thank you, guys. Roly-Coly.
I read the lead.
Chimicho. Onyx. Little sleepy Onyx. Sizzlepede. Glam Meow. And a rare, reverse rare is Sizzlepede. Nice.
The same thing as Sizzlepede.
And a rare is going to be Bolton.
I don't think we have that, so.
We're kind of getting skunked here. Been all green code cards so far. It's crazy.
We got skunked.
No, in a minute. Just chill. Yeah, somebody got a white code card. Okay, go ahead and put it up there. Remember, subscribe, hit that like button, guys. Let's get this going. Let's get something good here.
Papa, I didn't get.
I know.
I think whatever the card is. I'm
going to go with fighting.
The card is.
It was lightning.
Ooh, lightning energy. Seadra. Almost. Seadra. Fan of waves.
Like you could use it in a book.
Yeah.
Dottler.
Dottler.
I was so close.
Yeah, you were. Galarian.
Slowpoke.
You just went to fall asleep.
Formantis. Remoraid. Little Kool-Aid Remoraid going on in here the house. Cubone. That's it, little cutie. Pawniard. Pawniard. I can't. And we got Felikins. And our,
let's see what,
since it's a white code card, we're going to try this. Our rare, going straight up. No, down.
Pikachu.
No. Is that full art something? Okay, what is it?
Pikachu.
What is it? Oh, it's a Bruno. Full art Bruno. Nice. How was that?
We got the rainbow.
Yeah, and the full art Bruno. Good job, guys. Wow. Okay.
No, I just got a hold of it.
Yeah, good job. Okay, last pack love for baby girl.
Green?
Water.
I got green.
Come on, let's go. Water.
I'm going.
Don't look at him. Just do your shuffle. I'm going with water.
What? That was more than 4.
Throw it up there if you're not gonna guess.
Moon.
Ooh, nice. Moon.
I said it at the very
That's
last
right.
second.
Single scroll of scorn. Scroll of scorn. Grumpig.
Pig.
Carnivine. That's right.
Cherubi.
Cherubi. Little radish Cherubi. Mawile,
Mawile.
Onyx, green code cards, so not expecting a lot. Remoraid,
We're not seeing a lot today.
Zubat. That's okay. We pulled some we don't have, right?
Yeah.
That's good. Spoink, reverse rare.
We
Spoink.
should do the
Or
same
reverse.
thing that we did with mine.
And rare is
Electrovire.
Electrovire. Okay. So hey, we got we got a couple minutes. Let's go ahead and
Do these.
we got 2 packs of Vivid Voltage. Let's go ahead and bust into them. Sissy's got Celebi.
And I got whatever this
Yeah.
is called.
Forget what he's called. Okay, let me give it here. Give it
He
here.
looks like one.
Give it here.
He's a
Thank
black.
you. Let's
He's
get
a
this
black
done, babe.
Pokemon with a black tape.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, let's go. You're first, buddy. Last pack. Let's get it going. Okay. Remember Papa Dale, Jackson,
And
Gemma.
our shout out is to
Instagram. Pokemon_Dale. Go check us out. We got a lot of fun going on. I know, green for baby girl. You need help? Get help.
Oh my god. I do.
Jackson,
Ooh, kinda.
green code card or white code card?
I don't know. Ooh. I see something good.
Green code card.
Oh!
Okay, let's
We
get
just
some
got
like
a
rare.
lot of green codes.
Yeah, that's a lot of green code card. That's okay. Sometimes you get the bull, sometimes you get the horn. Getting the horn today. Let's go. I'm going
Whatever
fire.
the card is.
Whatever the card is, I'm going fire. Toss it up there. Let's get going.
Whatever the
Woo!
card is.
Look at me. I am on fire. Okay, Vivid Voltage. Sableye.
Sableye.
Duat.
Duat.
Duat. Duat. Duat. Vivid Voltage. Opal.
Opal.
Opal. We don't have her yet.
Charmander.
Charmander. Little bitty Char.
If you use water, the flame will go out.
That's it. Chatot.
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 So we can't leave it out in the rain.
That's it. Joltik.
Joltik.
Cottony.
Cottony.
Cockney.
Mudbray.
Mumbrae.
That
Just in
little
the
dog.
moon.
That's it. Matang. Reverse.
What the hell?
And a rare is
Vaporeon.
Vaporeon. It's
My
not a hollow or
favorite.
nothing, but
My
it's still a
color.
cutie. What do you got, girl? Woo,
Psychic.
Psychic. Let's go.
First one today.
Psychic. That's it. Can I get the cards from you, sweetie? Thank you. Woo-hoo! Vivid Voltage. Let's go. Subscribe.
Hit the like button.
That's it. Gavantula.
Ding that bell if you want the post next.
Yep. Sweelu.
So you know when we post next.
Wash Energy.
Wash
That's what you need in the morning. Wash it up. Pharaoh Seed.
Pharaoh seed.
Pharaoh seed just under the ground. Riolu.
Riolu.
Rio.
Sandai.
Sandile. I love when you guys are paying attention and you nail it. Good job.
Whalmer.
Whalmer.
That's
That's
You're
right.
just like your belly.
Just like my belly. Whalmer.
Weedle.
Weedle. Our reverse is Leon.
Leon.
We need him like in a
We
full.
got 2 Leons
Yeah, we
from
need him in a
me.
full.
Jackson
And then
didn't
our
even
rare
get a
is
Leon.
Barraskewda. Just basic Barraskewda.
Hey, Papa, Jackson
Yeah.
didn't even get a Leon yet.
No, but hey, well, we got one. We got one out of all that. We got a Bruno full. Okay,
Yeah.
so we didn't get skunked, but hey,
Papa,
it happens.
You want me to put my
happens.
big cards in?
Yeah, we'll go ahead and but let's tell everybody. Okay, hey, thanks everybody for joining. Okay, I know it was far and in between. We had vacations still going on.
Hey!
The kids are out of school. Hold
I
on,
love
hey,
this one.
yeah, right up here, baby girl. Let's let everybody know we love them. Hey, we love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, hit that
the
like
like
button.
Happy Father's Day to all
Yes.
the fathers.
Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. And we'll see you guys soon, okay? Okay, love you
Bye.
guys. Bye.
So there's Papa.